Buenaventura versus CA. Noel filed for a petition for the declaration of the nullity of marriage under Article 36. The RTC declared the marriage null and void and ordered the liquidation of the assets. Hence the issue whether or not co-ownership is applicable to a void marriage. Yes, Article 50 does not apply since this is not a case of bigamous marriage. The property regime is co-ownership and should be liquidated as such.